So I'm trying to do a little touch up on the sides, and I think I'm on track. It's not going to be mint condition or anything, but just trying to feather things out. I have some orange I'm going to go over top of this with. It was too dark, so I had to use a little. I used a little caulking, which some people might think is crazy, but there are scratches in some cases where they're kind of deep, so a little bit of caulking was good. And like I said, I'm just trying to get it a little bit better. So I got some black I'm going to go over top of these with. And I'll try a little orange permanent marker right here, just to see if it's not quite the perfect orange, but it might help. I could get the paints out and try to match, but I don't want to go crazy on this thing. It does have kind of a marbly look, and I'm pretty sure that was done on purpose. You can see on the back side, even here, you can see I'm sure that's original. Kind of a Carrera marble look, a little bit yellower, even on the back. So in a way that plays good, that kind of helps. It's not trying to get a flat finish or anything like that. Okay, so we'll continue doing a little touch up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Should have the new rubber here pretty soon, and the lights, and then I'll be ready to start taking apart one spot at a time and cleaning it up.